Every YouTuber posts his top video one day, so why shouldn't I? This is my first top 5 video about my top 5 reasons why to use Logic Pro X. Why I use Logic Pro X and why should I recommend it for you? I will point 5 reasons which make Logic Pro X the best DAW for sound design based on my experience. And of course I know Pro Tools is a standard in music and movies production and post-production. I know people loves Reaper for game audio because it's super cheap and all other stuff. I know modern music composers loves Ableton, which I hate by the way. And there are lots of different DAWs, but they really make the same job. And this should be your choice which one to use. Of course I use Pro Tools also for sound editing in movies post-production, but today we are focusing on sound design. And that's why Logic Pro X is the best DAW for sound design. Number 1. Starter Pack. You always get some features and plugins with I guess every DAW. But what you get with Logic is a huge starter pack of plugins, like compressor with 7 types of emulation, EQ with super colorful interface, graphic frequency analyzer and mid-side function. Super crazy space and delay designers with outer world presets, amp simulations and many more. You get the TimeFlex tool, Melodyne style tool, and the conclusion is that you don't need much else. You have fully equipped workstation, plug and play, like most of Apple's products. Number 2. Price. $200 for all this stuff. This is a good price. You can try to make me change my mind, wish you luck. And for this price you get a DAW stuffed with all mentioned before and free updates, which are not only bug fixes, but for example version 2.5 was a huge update with new functionalities like live loops, with redesigned plugins and new sounds and loops. Number 3. Built-in instruments. Have I mentioned that you get fully equipped DAW for $200? Yeah, I guess, but what is even better? You get lots of good virtual instruments too, like Alchemy, like this retro synth, Sculpture, variety of orchestral and piano sounds, drum kits and the drummer. This is cool for you who are into film scoring too. Built-in virtual drummers who can play in style you want, with samples you want, different intensity, accents, and then you can even change every MIDI note. Number 4. User's interface. This is so user-friendly interface. Lots of colors, icons, track stacking, channel inspector. But what I like the most, and actually I have seen this feature being mentioned a lot on the internet, are logical shortcuts. Like S for solo, M for mute, X for mixer, A for automation, and with modifiers like Command T to trim, Command B to bounce. And if you like to press 3 on your numeric keyboard to start recording instead of R, then yeah, you can use your Pro Tools template. Number 5. Beginner friendly. If you've never used any DAW or just trying to change your software, then starting with Logic Pro X is super simple. It has all the help features you need. For example, you hit the question mark button, point your mouse at any space in your project and you get a short information about it. If you need more, you can get more, just by typing a shortcut for Logic Pro X help window. And of course, besides help features, it's very intuitive and logical, which you can guess by the name. It has a lot of do's, but also don'ts, but I won't talk about them because it's very personal. I know some guys who won't tell a single bad word about Logic. I know people who say it's totally illogical software. Try for yourself. Now you have 90 days free trial from Apple for a limited time. Let me know in comments which software you're using, and if you have used Logic, share your thoughts about it. Last but not least, give a like, subscribe and see you next time.